Today I have a happy for my birthday. So my mom-in-law hooked me up with some cool things from T3 Technique. So I'm gonna just show you what I got. So here's my box. And these things are just cool. I'm gonna dig this out of here. It's these guys. So these are like brush guards for your blinker. How cool is that? That just looks awesome. Alright, so this is what I got from T3 Technique. It's front signal guards, a pair. And let's check out what it does. So as I showed you earlier, this is the right one. Left, and then it comes with some extra screws, which are nice because mine were looking kind of rusted anyway. And then it has these spacers, which are nice because it does need it. Because if you look over here, it's kind of recessed in a little bit, so that's going to help out with everything. That's awesome. I guess we just figure it out because they didn't come with instructions. We'll see how it goes. Maybe that's what it's supposed to do. Doesn't quite line up like I thought it would. But on the back, definitely goes in those recessed holes pretty well. Let's see. You know, see this and this. So I think that's the way it's supposed to be. I kind of like it though. Feels pretty stalwart. I mean, you aren't going to hit a Prius and get away with it, but maybe some brush and stuff. I like it. Plus, it's got some really nice finish to it. You can kind of see that. It's got a almost like a rubberized finish to it. I like it. Let's go do the other one. So there you have it. One. Going over here. Two. Oh yeah.